Synthesia has been around long enough to have a track record, and in 2026, that track record tells a clear story. It's the best AI video tool for corporate training and structured business content, used by 90% of Fortune 100 companies. And it's actively the wrong tool for high-emotion marketing content, where avatar-based delivery hurts rather than helps. Today, I'm reviewing Synthesia honestly. What's improved in 2026, what the platform does well, where it falls short, who should be paying for it, and who should be looking elsewhere. What's new in 2026? Synthesia 3.0 introduced meaningful improvements across three areas that were the platform's most criticized limitations in earlier versions. Avatar realism. The uncanny valley effect, that slightly off quality that earlier Synthesia avatars had, has been significantly reduced. The Express 2 avatar model produces more natural micro-expressions, better hand gesture variety, and more fluid transitions between expressions during speech. In direct comparisons between Synthesia's 2024 output and its 2026 output, the difference is noticeable. The avatars read as polished and professional, in a way that doesn't immediately signal AI to an uninformed viewer. That said, lip sync issues still appear in longer, more complex videos, specifically in segments where there's dense technical language, fast speech, or unusual phonetic combinations. For a 2 to 3 minute training module, the sync quality is consistent. For a 15 to 20 minute course module, you'll occasionally find moments that need regeneration. This is still a limitation to account for in longer productions. Rendering speed. Synthesia is now rated as market-leading for rendering time compared to competitors at equivalent quality levels. For teams producing a high volume of videos, faster rendering translates directly into faster production cycles and faster time to deployment for training content. Language support. The translation capability covers over 140 languages, and the combination of one-click translation with avatar lip sync adapted to the target language is a genuine workflow advantage for global organizations. Produce the content once in English, translate to 10 languages, and the avatar's lip movement syncs to each translated audio track. This replaces what would otherwise be a multi-week reproduction effort for each language version. What Synthesia does well. Let's be specific about the use cases where Synthesia's value is clearest: corporate training and e-learning at scale. The slide-based editor maps directly onto how training content is structured. Each scene is a discrete unit of information, scripted independently, built with supporting text or graphics, and assembled into a complete module. For L&D teams that already produce training materials in PowerPoint, the PowerPoint to video feature converts existing decks into narrated video with minimal rebuilding. The avatar delivers the content consistently across every version, without the variability of a human presenter having better or worse days on camera. The scalability advantage is significant. Updating a training video when a policy changes used to mean booking a studio, scheduling a presenter, filming, editing, and redistributing. In Synthesia, you open the project, edit the text in the relevant scene, click Regenerate, and the updated video is ready. The entire update process for a single scene takes minutes rather than days. For compliance content that needs to be updated regularly to reflect regulatory changes, this is a fundamental workflow improvement. Multilingual content production. For a global company that needs training content consistent across offices in Germany, Japan, Brazil, and the US, Synthesia's translation pipeline with synchronized lip movement is the most scalable solution currently available. The alternative, separate productions for each language, doesn't compete on cost or turnaround time. Internal communications. Company-wide announcements, product updates, HR communications, quarterly briefings. Any video content that benefits from a consistent, professional presenter format but doesn't need to be shot on camera is well served by Synthesia. The platform's controlled, authoritative avatar style is appropriate for formal internal communications in a way it isn't for casual consumer-facing content. Where Synthesia falls short. 3 limitations that matter depending on your use case. No 4K output. Synthesia's maximum resolution is 1080p. For most training content delivered through a learning management system on a laptop or desktop screen, 1080p is sufficient. For content displayed on large format screens, used in broadcast contexts, or delivered to clients with specific resolution requirements, this is a hard limitation. HeyGen and Runway both offer 4K output for comparison. Limited emotional expression for marketing content. Synthesia's avatar style is deliberately controlled and professional. That's a strength for formal communications and training content. It's a problem for marketing, sales, and consumer-facing content, where warmth, enthusiasm, and genuine personality are part of what drives engagement and conversion. A product launch video that needs to feel exciting, a customer testimonial format, an ad that needs to build trust through personality. These content types are genuinely not what Synthesia is designed for, and using it for them produces results that underperform compared to content with real human energy or with HeyGen's more expressive Avatar 4 model. Cost at high production volume. Synthesia's pricing is per minute base, which scales well for predictable corporate budgets, but becomes expensive for teams producing large quantities of video content. At equivalent monthly output volume, HeyGen's unlimited standard generation creator plan is significantly more cost-effective for individual creators and small teams. Synthesia's pricing structure makes sense for enterprise procurement, where predictability and formal budget planning are the priority. It's harder to justify at the SMB or individual level. Security and enterprise suitability. This is the category where Synthesia genuinely leads the market and where the enterprise pricing premium is most directly justified. Synthesia holds SOC 2 Type 2 certification, GDPR compliance, and ISO 42001, the AI management systems governance standard that is increasingly required by regulated industries. 90% of Fortune 100 companies using Synthesia is a meaningful validation of its enterprise suitability. These are organizations with formal vendor security review processes and significant compliance requirements. If Synthesia consistently passes those reviews, the security and governance positioning is credible. For organizations in financial services, healthcare, legal, government, and other regulated sectors, where vendor AI governance documentation is part of the procurement process, Synthesia clears those requirements more comprehensively than competitors. This is the strongest argument for the platform's pricing premium for enterprise accounts. For small businesses and individual creators without formal security review requirements, this compliance stack is largely irrelevant to the purchase decision, but it's worth knowing it exists for teams that will eventually need to demonstrate vendor security posture to clients or auditors. How it compares to the main alternatives. Two comparisons that matter most. Synthesia versus HeyGen. HeyGen's Avatar 4 model produces more expressive, more cinematic avatar output that's better suited for marketing, social media, and consumer-facing content. HeyGen's pricing is more accessible for high-volume individual and small team use. HeyGen has 4K output on higher plans and one-click video translation across more languages. Synthesia's advantages are the security certification stack, the more controlled professional avatar style for formal communications, and the PowerPoint-to-video workflow that makes training content production particularly efficient. For enterprise corporate training, Synthesia. For marketing and social content, HeyGen. Synthesia versus Colossian. Colossian is the closer competitor in the corporate training space. It has a more generous free tier, interactive branching scenario capability that Synthesia doesn't offer at the same level, and competitive avatar quality. For L&D teams specifically building interactive scenario-based training, where the learner makes choices that branch to different content outcomes, Colossian has a workflow advantage. For straightforward training video production at large scale with the strongest compliance posture, Synthesia leads. Pricing and plan guidance. Synthesia's pricing is structured for corporate procurement rather than individual creators. Current plans are tiered by video minutes per month, with per-seat pricing for team access. The starter plan covers basic individual use, but hits volume limits quickly for anyone producing training content regularly. For a single L&D professional producing 1 or 2 modules per week, the starter plan will cap out and require a plan review within the first month of real use. The creator and business plans add higher minute allocations, more team members, and in some tiers access to personal avatar creation. Custom avatars on Synthesia cost approximately $1,000 per year, the highest custom avatar price of any major competitor. For an enterprise where that avatar is an official brand spokesperson appearing across dozens of official training videos, the cost is proportionate. For an individual creator, it's not competitive with HeyGen's $99 one-time fee. Enterprise pricing is custom and worth negotiating if your organization will use Synthesia at scale across multiple L&D teams. Enterprise contracts typically include dedicated support, priority rendering, and volume discounts that make the per-minute cost more competitive. Is Synthesia still worth using in 2026? Yes, for the right use case. For enterprise L&D teams, HR departments, corporate communications teams, and organizations in regulated industries producing training, compliance, onboarding, and internal communications content at scale, Synthesia is the right tool. The avatar quality, translation workflow, rendering speed, PowerPoint to video feature, and enterprise security certifications combine into the most complete solution for that specific production context. For individual creators, small businesses, social media marketers, and anyone producing consumer-facing content where emotional expressiveness and production flexibility matter, Synthesia's limitations on output resolution, avatar expressiveness, and cost per minute make HeyGen or Colossian the better fit. The platform is not trying to serve everyone, and it shouldn't be evaluated as if it is. In the specific context it's built for, it's still the best option in the market in 2026. Hit the like button and subscribe if this helped. I'll see you in the next one.